Hey everyone, my name is Nhi Tran. I also go by Kelly. I'm a senior in the Digital Animation and Game Design program. And today I'm gonna show you how to make an old school animation on paper. And to illustrate, I'm gonna make a dancing woman. First, you need to gather all the material that you want. I got a pencil, paper, and for these, the thinner they are, the better. And finally, I got some paper clip so that you can tie them to the paper and hold them together. So next, you would want to organize your workspace for the animation. So one page is going to be one frame in your animation, so you would want to align them perfectly so that the animation can be accurate. And then next, you would want some source of light beneath all the layers, and this will allow you to see the previous layer better so that you can draw the next one on top of it. Let's get into my first part, sketching. So usually I would keep my first draft clear and simple. How I usually draw a woman is just, I will start with the head, and the head is just a circle because I just want to know where it will move. And then I'll start with the body, which is another long circle. And then the hip, and then her leg. I can always come back to add in the hair, the clothes later. When you draw, especially probably a soft dancer, you would want to keep your hand relaxed, and the drawing should be more curves than alive. As you're drawing, it's a good thing to always check your whole animation again to see how the flow is. After the key poses, you may want to add in some key in between keyframe, so you can make the animation smoother, or you can use it to control the speed of the animation. So I'm gonna add another frame between them. From what I learned, I'm gonna bring the in-between frame to the front, like this. You can see her head is moving from A to B, so you may want to find the space between A and B to draw the third one in. Okay, that's gonna be the last step and the last page too. Thank you for joining me today, and let's check out the animation.